What's outside the universe? Well, nothing, right? But it's even less than that, if you can imagine it. Well, imagine that you can't even imagine. That's how much nothing there really is out there. And by me explaining it that way, I'm attributing some sense of value to nothing, which actually diminishes the true definition of nothing, which is the absence of everything. I mean, the universe is so vast and complex that it even contains imagination. I'm sitting here and I can imagine the most crazy and, you know, unrealistic event to ever occur. But the fact of the matter is that I myself exist within the universe. And so, by the mere act of me imagining something, this imaginary act actually exists within the universe as a byproduct of my thought. So, the universe not only houses reality, but it houses imaginality as well. So, a place that is so extremely nothing that it's unimaginable. It's more vacuum than the vacuum of space, in that the concept of a vacuum isn't even a concept. Concepts don't even exist, because as soon as anything exists, it's within the universe. Let's look at this guy at the supposed edge of the universe for a minute. What would happen if he was to extend his right arm outward? Would the universe block his extension and say, no, I can no longer create any more space? Or would it merely allocate new space for his arm to occupy? And that is the question which we must try to conceptually answer here, is that as soon as there is a need, or as soon as the space is pushed, then the space is allocated for there to be more space. It's like writing a fiction novel. As soon as the fiction novel comes into being, then there is this whole new space allocated for this novel of fiction to take place within. What's even crazier to think after contemplating these things is that what if, due to the fact that the universe is such an expansive and immense and enormous thing, encompassing all that we could possibly know or imagine, what if all things that ever could be either of those already exists right now at this moment? And with that, I hope you all have an amazing experience in this amazing place we call the universe.